Hand and finger actions.
Wave.
Wave.
Move your hand to say hello or goodbye.
Rub.
Rub.
Move your hands against something.
Point.
Point.
Show something using your finger.
Grab.
Grab.
Take something quickly with your hand and force. Clap.
Clap.
Hit your hands together to show appreciation. High five.
High five.
Hit someone's raised hand with your own as a greeting or celebration.
Flick.
Flick.
Hit something lightly with a quick finger movement. Pinch.
Pinch.
Grip something tightly between thumb and finger.
Top.
Top.
Lightly touch or hit something, often repeatedly.
Toss.
Toss.
Throw something lightly.
Throw.
Throw.
Use force to send something through the air.
Butt.
But.
Gently touch or tap with your hand.
Clench.
Clench.
Close your hand tightly, often when angry or in pain.
Twist.
Twist.
Turn something using your hand.
Snap.
Snap.
Make a sharp sound by quickly pressing your fingers together.
Grip.
Grip.
Hold something tightly and firmly.
Catch.
Catch.
Take something that is thrown to you.
Hold.
Hold.
Keep something in your hand or arms.
Butt.
But.
To touch gently with the hand. Yank.
Yank.
To pull something suddenly and strongly.
Pound.
Pound.
Hit heavily and repeatedly. Smash.
Smash.
Hit very hard and break. Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Press tightly to get liquid out.
Squish.
Squish.
To press something soft so it becomes flat or messy.
Stretch.
Stretch.
Pull something to make it longer.
Flex.
Flex.
Bend without breaking.
Tear.
Tear.
To pull something apart into pieces. Press in.
Press in.
Push inward. Tear off.
Tear off.
Pull away with a rip. Unscrew.
Unscrew.
Turn to loosen, remove. Zip up.
Zip up.
Close with a zipper.
Peel off.
Peel off.
Remove the outer layer by pulling it away. Pop out.
Pop out.
Push so something comes out suddenly.
Screw in.
Screw in.
Turn to fasten.
Turn over.
Turn over.
Flip something to the other side.
Take off.
Take off.
Lift something away to remove it. Flip up.
Flip up.
Move something quickly upward.
Stick on.
Stick on.
Attach by pressing. Snap shut.
Snap shut.
Close with a snap. Twist off.
Twist off.
Remove something by turning it. Pull out.
Pull out.
Move something outward by pulling. Pump out.
Pump out.
Press to push liquid out.
Plug in.
Plug in.
Insert into a socket.
Take off.
Take off.
Lift something away to remove it. Flip up.
Flip up.
Move something quickly upward.
Stick on.
Stick on.
Attach by pressing. Snap shut.
Snap shut.
Close with a snap. Wipe off.
Wipe off.
Clean by rubbing away. Slide open.
Slide open.
Open by sliding. Fold up.
Fold up.
Bend to make smaller. Cut open.
Cut open.
Open by cutting.